Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at the Maxfree M2 laptop screen extender. This is a great product for a few different reasons. If you're giving a presentation or if you're working outside the office, whether it be at a coffee shop or an airport or something like that, this is going to be a great product for you. So first we're going to go ahead and open up our box and we're going to see what's inside. So first we have our actual screen extender itself, so we can put that here in the middle. Next, we have our installation and user guide right here. So we'll put that next to our screen extender. Then we have a few different cables that you're going to see. So first we have our normal HDMI. Then we're going to have our two USB Type-C. Last, we'll have our charging adapter and our adapter for Apple MacBooks. So next we're going to be looking at our screen extenders themselves. So first what we're going to do here on the back is we'll pull our stand out so we can set our screens up. And then these can actually be rotated 360 degrees. I'll show you just a little bit here, which is useful for a lot of different reasons. So next we're going to look at how to connect our screen extenders to our laptop. It's very easy. So if you're using a MacBook, there's an adapter here that all you have to do is plug it in to the side, and then you'll just use your Type-C as normal. If you're using any other computer, you just use the Type-C directly. So now that we've connected our screen extender to our laptop, we can see that we're in extended display. And then to change to mirror display, we'll press our button here once. And now we can see that our top and bottom screen are both the same.